হ্যালো চিলড্রেন্স, এখন লকডাউন চলছে, রানিং স্কুল সব বন্ধ। রেগুলার স্কুল ক্লাসেস সব বন্ধ আছে। তো এরকম একটা পরিস্থিতিতে আমরা পড়াশোনা যাতে সুবিধা হয় সেই জন্য আজকে ক্লাস 7-8-এ যেগুলো বেশি দরকারি মনে হয় সেই জিওমেট্রি নিয়ে একটা ডিসকাশন আমি করব আজকে। তো বেশি কথা না বলে আসল বিষয়ে আসা যাক। জিওমেট্রিতে আজকে আমরা টাইপস অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, মানে কত ধরনের ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হয় সেটা নিয়ে আজকে টাইপস অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল নিয়ে আমরা ডিসকাস করব। টাইপস অফ, আজকের বিষয় হলো, টুডেজ সাবজেক্ট ইজ টাইপস অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। টুডেজ সাবজেক্ট ইজ টাইপস অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। Types of triangles. ফার্স্টে জানা যাক হোয়াট ইজ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। Triangle, that means a closed figure having three angles and bounded by three sides. A closed figure having three angles and bounded by three sides, or three line segments, bounded by three line segments. तो टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल से দুটো টাইপস আছে, মেইনলি দুটো টাইপস আছে। ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে বেসড অন দ্য measures of the angles. Based on the measures of angles. আরেকটা হচ্ছে based on the measure of the length of the sides. Based on sides of the sides, or based on the sides, simply based on the sides. Based on the triangle and based on the sides. তো based on the measures of triangles টা আমি এবারে ডিটেইলে ডিসকাস করি। পয়েন্ট নাম্বার 1, acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. তার আগে জানতে হবে হোয়াট ইজ acute angle. What is acute angle? Angles measuring greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree are called acute angles. তো যে কোনো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল যার সবকটি অ্যাঙ্গেল, মানে 3 অ্যাঙ্গেলসই অ্যাকিউট, অর্থাৎ 3টে অ্যাঙ্গেল আছে, 3টে অ্যাঙ্গেলের মেজার হবে 0 থেকে 90-র মধ্যে। অ্যাকিউট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। তো ছবিটা একবার দেখা যাক। Let us take a triangle A B C. Triangle if A B C. If angle A 60 degree, angle B 40 degree and angle C equals to 80 degree. Remember that sum of the angles of a triangle cannot exceed 180 degree. অর্থাৎ সব অ্যাঙ্গেলগুলো টোটাল কখনোই 180 ডিগ্রি বেশি হয় না। তো এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা দেখছি in this case angle A 60 degree less than 90 degree, angle B 40 degree also less than 90 degree and angle C also less than 90 degree. তাহলে তিনটে অ্যাঙ্গেল, the three angles measuring less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree, that is all the angles are acute angles. Hence triangle ABC can be called acute angled triangle. Triangles ABC may be called an acute angled triangle since all of its angles measuring acute angles, that is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Secondly, obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. If any of the angle of a triangle is an obtuse angle, the triangle may be called obtuse angled triangle. Let us take an example. Let us take an example. A, B, C. In this triangle, angle B is greater than 90 degree but lesser than 180 degree. That is, it is an obtuse angle. Angle B measuring greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That is, angle B is an obtuse angle. As I have already said, if one of the angle of a triangle measuring greater than 90 degree and lesser than 180 degree, that is an obtuse angle, can be called an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse, O-B-T-U-S-E, obtuse angle triangle. Next, the third number, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. 3 নম্বর বা থার্ড নম্বর হচ্ছে right angled triangle. What is right angled triangle? Let us take an example. Here angle B, in this triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle, that is it's measuring 90 degree. So in any triangle, if one of the three angles measures 90 degree, that is a right angle, can be called a right angle triangle. Okay. So these three are three types of triangle based on the measures of their angles. Now I repeat the three types again. One is acute angle triangle, second is obtuse angle triangle, and third one is right angle triangle. The first one, acute angle triangle, if all the angles of a triangle are an acute angle, that is measuring greater than 0 degree and lesser than 90 degree, can be called a acute angle triangle. The second one, obtuse angle triangle. If any one angle of the three angles of a triangle is an obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 degree but lesser than 180 degree. Such triangles can be called obtuse angle triangle. Similarly, third category, right angle triangle. The right angle triangle, if a triangle measures, if any of the three angles of a triangle measures 90 degree, that is a right angle, such a triangle can easily be called a right angle triangle. Okay, friends, now I will discuss the second category. The triangles can be classified on the basis of sides, based on sides. Based on sides, the triangles are of three types. Number one, equilateral triangle. Number two, isosceles triangles. Number three, scalene. Now I will discuss in detail. I should discuss in detail the three types. Number one, equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Number two, isosceles. 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 Number three, scalene. SCALENE. Equilateral, isosceles, and the third one is scalene. Let us discuss in detail. Equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, take example of a triangle. Let us take the example. Here, a triangle A, B, C. Consider a triangle A, B, and C. It has three sides. As I have already stated, a triangle always bounded by three sides. It is a closed figure. It is bounded by three sides. If the three sides, that is AB, BC and CA, AB, BC and CA, three sides, AB, BC and CA, the sides AB, BC and CA are equal. Mathematically, we can write AB equals to BC equals to CA. If three sides are equal, the triangle is an equilateral triangle. A triangle is an equilateral triangle. Second category, isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Let us take an example. Here is a triangle A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C. In this triangle, sides AB equal to side AC. Side AB equal to side AC. For example, if AB 5 centimeter and AC also 5 centimeter in length, so any two sides are equal to each other, we can call this triangle isosceles triangle. The length of BC may be greater than AB or AC or less than AB or AC. It doesn't matter whether what is the length of BC. And only if the sides of any two sides of a triangle are equal in length, such triangles can be called isosceles triangle. Another point we should note, in an isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC, so angle B should always be equal to angle C. Angle B should always be equal to angle C, and A is called vertical angle. It is very important to note that if side AB equals to BC, then angle B also equal to angle C. As in case of equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, then all angles are also equal in measure. Okay. Now the third category. Scalene. 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 Let us take example. AB, BC, and CA. AB, BC and CA. Three sides, and they are not equal to one another. They are not equal. They are not equal to. They are not equal to one another. One another. For example, if it is 6 centimeter, it is 9 centimeter, and it is 12 centimeter. Since the sides are not equal to one another, the angles are also not equal to one another. Very important to note. So today I have discussed the types of triangles. First one on the basis of the measure of angles. They are of three types: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. And on the based on sides, the triangles are also of three types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene, the third type. I have already discussed in detail. In my next class, I will discuss about some very important points of geometry in detail again. Thank you.